Hi loves, I'm Annabelle and welcome back. Today we have a full body beginners class. When you are ready, we'll begin. We'll start off in a seated, comfortable position. Maybe that's easy pose for you. Gently place the palms on your lap. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Savor the breath. And slowly exhale out the mouth. Another inhale through the nose. Let your belly rise, expand. Hold your breath. Slowly exhale. Release, side out. One last time, another inhale, letting your belly fill up like a balloon. Hold the breath. As you get ready to exhale, relax your facial muscles, releasing any tension and tightness that you may be holding on to. Release. Exhale, side out. Gently start to rotate the neck around in a circular motion to the right. Inhaling as you go back, exhaling as you bring the neck inwards towards the body. Repeat that on the other side. Inhale and exhale. Listen to your body throughout class. This is your practice, and I'm only here to guide you. Pause if you need to. Pause the video. You take a break as often as you need to. Take your left hand, place it at the right temple. Extend the right hand out. Inhale. Exhale, fingers to earth. Repeat it on the other side. Right fingers to your left temple. Bring that head closer towards your right shoulders. Extend the left hand out. Inhale. Exhale, fingers to earth. Inhale again. Exhale, spinal twist to the right. Hands up overhead. Release the hands, spinal twist to the left. Bring the palms to heart center. Inhale. Exhale, palms on your mat. Extend the hands out. Maybe you come into your elbows, or maybe come into your forehead. Walk the hands back. Meet in a tabletop. Your shoulders are above the wrist, the hips above the knees. Dip the belly, arch the back. Inhale. Round the spine, push the ground away. Exhale. Move through that a couple more times at your own pace. Lift the knee, the right knee, keeping them at a 90-degree angle. Point the toes towards the ceiling. Bring the knee to the nose. Wrap it around the left leg. Inhale, exhale, fold.
come out of that. Left knee comes up. Inhale. Exhale, knee to nose. Wrap the leg around the right. Come back to our tabletop. Lift the knees off your mat. Curl the toes, hips up and back. Down dog. Or pyramid. Find some stability and strength here in your down dog. Pushing the ground away. And bringing your forehead closer towards the thigh. Wrapping the shoulders around. Slowly start to shift into a plank. Bring the knees down, hips up and back. Continue to move through your spinal wave at your own pace. Take it slow. Slow and steady wins the race. We're not in a rush. Come back to center. Knees to your nose. Drop the left knee down. Extend the right leg out. Hands come up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale again. Exhale, lower the hands down. Push all the way down into your belly. Bring the hands up towards the top of your mat. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Lengthen your spine. Release your chest. Pushed up into a plank. Down dog. We'll repeat that on the other side using our left leg, knee to nose. If your knee is not there yet, that is okay. Maybe your knees to your chest, maybe your knees to your nose, or maybe your knee is at your forehead. So meet your body where you are currently at. Drop the left knee. Extend the left leg out. Left hand opens. Release the hands. Step back. This time we'll try to take a full chaturanga. Lower. Up dog. Back to our down dog. Inhale again. Exhale. Right leg comes up. Inhale. Exhale. Step that right foot in between both hands. Rise up. Inhale. Exhale. Lower all the way down. Place the hands on your mat. Straighten out that right leg. Inhale. Exhale. Fold. Inhale again. Exhale. Lift the back knee. Step that right leg back. Slowly lower. Up dog. And back to our down dog. Left leg comes up. Inhale. Exhale. Step the foot quietly, gently, as slowly as you can in between both hands. Hands up. Lower all the way down. Release the hands. Straighten out that back. That left leg. Inhale and exhale. Step that left leg back. We'll hold our plank here for 3 full breaths. You may keep the knees lifted off the mat or lower the knees on your mat. Push the ground away, slightly round your spine. Lower into your chaturanga. Up dog. Back to our down dog. We'll meet at the top of our mat. Step, jump, walk. Grab the opposite ends of your elbows. Sway the body from side to side. Hands to the heart, halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Start to put a slight bend in the knee. Hands come up. And slowly come all the way up. Take your right hand, wrap it around the left wrist. Side stretch to the right. And to the left. Baby back bend. Fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Come into a yogi squat. If you find that this is challenging for you, then you may place a block underneath you or a thick book. Use your triceps to push the knees away. Inhale and exhale. Inhale again and exhale. Lower all the way down. Take your left leg, place the left foot in between the arms, clasp the hands together, and cradle your leg like a baby. Repeat that on the other side. Release the hands. Bring the feet together. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Make your way onto your back. Put a bend at the knees. Maybe your fingertips are touching the back of your heels. Lift the hips up, coming into a bridge. Maybe you clap your hands together. See if you can bring the hips up a little higher. Release the hands. Slowly lower all the way down. Bring the knees in close to your chest. Rock from side to side. Drop the knees to the left side of your mat. Extend the right hand out. Take another inhale. Exhale. Inhale again. And exhale. Knee to chest. And drop the knees to the opposite side. Fingers to earth. Hug yourself one last time and give yourself thanks for showing up. You did something for you today. And that should make you proud. Release the knees. Extend the legs out long. Palms facing towards the ceiling. We'll be here for a little bit. This is the time that you get to rest. So take some time here to just be. And then slowly start to bring some awareness to the body. Maybe you open your eyes, wiggle the fingers and the toes. Bring your knees in close to your chest. Drop them to the right side of your mat. Use your hands to help you come up. We'll meet in easy pose. Hands to our heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I'll see you in our next class. Ashe.